अब तो बाहर निकलते हो, कौन घर में बैठा है? यस, तो आप यू हैव टू परचेज द टेक्स्ट बुक, राइट? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, so we were doing understanding the map lesson, right? Yes or no? Yes? Yes, in which we had completed this atlas map. Okay, we had finished this map, types of map. Can you see my screen, girls? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, okay, okay. There is types of map we had finished, beta, or not? Huh, girls? Okay, I think you don't remember what are the types of maps. Okay, now beta, first of all, we will see the different types of maps. Okay, they are which maps? Thematical map and scale based maps. Yes, which maps are there, beta?
Theoretical and scale-based maps.
Yes. So what is
Theoretical map,
and the scale based map? So what is the difference
cell
between?
based.
Yes. So what is the difference between the thematic map and the scale based map? क्या difference है? Okay, I think you all didn't pay attention in the last class. और या फिर हमारा ये टॉपिक ही बाकी होगा, है ना? तो हम वो ही पहले कवर कर लेते, then we'll move to the next one. Okay, okay. Now बेटा, thematic map are what? They are such type of maps which are prepared according to the requirement of necessary details. Okay, thematical maps are categorized into two main sections. How many main sections it is categorized, beta?
Two main sections.
Yes,
Two
on
main
the
sections.
yes, on the basis of natural and cultural details. Okay, so they are classified again into two: natural maps and cultural maps. What are they?
Natural maps and culture maps.
Hmm. So first,
Natural map and culture map.
yes. So first we will see scale based map. Which map we will see? Scale based map. Okay. So beta, maps that show physical details is called scale based map. जो भी फिजिकल डिटेल्स हमें दिखाता है मैप, वो कौन से मैप कहलाते हैं? स्केल बेस्ड मैप.
Scale,
Scale-based map.
scale based map.
And scale based map displays natural and landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc., etc., right? All these details it shows, right? Scale based maps. Whereas maps showing the
Yes.
details of wild animals, okay, vegetations, forest, minerals, and etc. are a part of what, beta? They are a part of the scale based.
Thematic.
Yes. Okay. Now topographical map. Yes. The next is what, beta? The topographical map. You can also say topographic map. Okay. Now what is shown on that? What is shown on Zainab on topographic map? It is written here. Yes. Say.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am, can I?
say
Landscape,
Fatima?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Zainab. Say.
ma'am,
landscape like mountains, plateaus, plains, waterways, etc. are shown on
Ah,
the map.
yes. Which map? Which?
Topographical map.
topographic map.
Like what was shown? Mountains. Then mountains. Then
Plateaus, plateaus,
Plains,
plains,
water,
waterways.
hmm,
plateaus, mountains.
waterways. Ways मतलब के जैसे रोडवेज रेलवेज होते हैं ना, वो वे, that is waterways. Understood? All these are shown in this in the topographical map. Is it clear till here? है?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
yes, very good. Then what is this climate map? What does it show? हाँ बेटा, क्लाइमेट मैप क्या शो करता है हमें?
Temperature, rainfall, winds,
हाँ, then
एक्सेट्रा की डिटेल्स देते हैं.
हाँ, climate map shows us basically climate, okay, then temperature, okay, then rainfall, then winds, etc., etc. Okay, what does it show? What does it show us?
Temperature, rainfall, winds, etc.
Temperature, rainfall, wind, etc. Right? It shows climate, temperature, rainfall, winds, etc. That what is astronomical map? What does astronomical map show us, beta?
Satellites, galaxy, stars, constellation, and etc.
Yes, everything about all the celestial bodies. Okay, like what? Like planets, satellites, galaxies, stars, constellation, etc. are shown on astronomical maps. Now next is cultural map. What is shown in the cultural maps?
Ma'am, can I say Amiri Fatima?
Say Amiri Fatima.
Ma'am, can I say? Culture map. The map which outlines the main made details is called culture map. This
हाँ,
map outlines various human activities. The map of state, farming, population, transportation are example of culture map.
yes. Cultural map में क्या होता है? The maps which outlines the man-made details. What does it show? Man-made details. Okay, like human activities. Okay, the map of a state. फिर farming is done by man. Then population is counted of men as well as animals. Then transportation facilities, right? All these are examples of the cultural map. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is the political map, okay? And industrial map and historical map. So what all is seen on the political, industrial and historical map? Zainab Sayas. Zainab, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
What is it?
What is it?
Pol- political, industrial, and historical map.
Political map. The map which shows the details continent, country, local administration, and their frontier are called political map. Industrial map. The map that shows details of industrial sector, past history, and industries production.
Yes.
Historical map. Map that shows history of region, regional,
Regional.
regional of and national administration is called historical map.
Yes. Bapre, Zainab, your mic was hearing lot of noise. So, Rabia, were you facing the same noise, or it was coming to me only?
Ma'am, still voice is coming.
And mine
Ma'am,
is.
I'm in a background.
No, ma'am, nobody is around me. I'm alone in a room.
No, no. What I mean to say, my voice is also echoing. There's some problem with your mic, I guess.
Yes, I think so. My with my earpiece.
हम्म है ना राबिया, मुझे ही आ रहा था कि सबको आ रहा था?
Yes. नहीं मैम सबको आ रहा है. When she on
हाँ,
when she on her mic, our voices are double.
yeah, it's echoes, right? Her voice is clear, but
Yes.
lot of disturbance comes because of, I think, some settings might have changed. She will check out.
Yes.
Okay. So political map, what do Zainab, अब मत ऑन करना, हाँ माइक. सो पॉलिटिकल मैप पे क्या क्या हमें दिखता है, वो हमने ऑलरेडी पॉलिटिकल मैप लर्न किया है फ्रॉम क्लास 5th. है ना. About all the about all the states I have made you learn. Apart from that, continents we have learned, right? Apart from that, beta, country, local administrations, and their frontiers all are called political maps. Now, industrial sector belonging जो map होते हैं, phased history of industries, production, etc. are industrial map. Which are they, beta? They are industrial map, okay? And now comes the historical map. Now, historical map में कौन कौन से map आते हैं? The maps which show history of what place of regional and national administration is called historical map. कोई भी जगह का regional and national administration जो दिखाता है, that is called what map? National administration map. Is it clear? Now, apart from this, there are two types of maps on the basis of scale. Okay, which are there that we will see now. Apart from all these above maps, scale के आधारित और भी map है two types के. One is large scale and one is small scale. Okay, Rabia, can you read this para? Hello. Hello.
Types of map.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा से.
apart from this, there are two types of map on the basis of scale. Types of map on the basis of scale. Generally, if the scale of a map is less than 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometers, then that map is called large scale map. In this map, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometers. That is real distance on the earth. Large scale map shows more details. District, city or village map are the examples of large scale map. Small scale map shows large area on the earth's surface. Example, map of different continents are called map of small scale. World map, country map, maps of atlas are the examples of small scale map. There are four types of small scale maps. Number 1, atlas. Number 2, cadastral. Number 3, topo sheet or site map. And number 4, wall map.
Yes, thank you, Rabia. So, types of maps, as we saw previously, okay, there are small scale maps and large scale maps. Now, in the map, when 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometers, yes, that is shown, that is the real distance on the earth. 50 kilometers क्या है वो? Real distance on the earth है. Okay, so when it is shown like 1 centimeter, which is equal to 50 kilometers, then that is called large scale maps. What it is called? Large scale map, and they show more details like district, city or village maps, right? Are the examples of what type of map? Large scale map. What are the example of beta?
Large scale map.
Yes, and small scale maps show large areas of the earth surface. Different continents are called a map of small scale, because again that is the, देखो continent पूरे और सारे continents एक map पे दिखाना, that means it is what? It is small scale, है ना? World map, country map, map of atlas are the examples of small scale map. Is it clear? Now there are again small scale, maybe there is 4 divisions. That is atlas, the book of atlas which we have, cadastral maps, topo sheet maps and wall maps. All these are examples of again bifurcation of small scale maps. Okay. See here, we can see Gujarat map. Can you see Gujarat map?
Yes.
All minor details are shown in this, right? Then here you can see India map. Can you see political map of India? Yes. In this here, legend means instructions are given to us. Scale is given to here. Can you see? Read the scale. 400, मतलब 200 kilometer है. 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometer in this map. Can you see? 0 to 200, 200 to 400, 400 to 600. मतलब डिफरेंस कितना है, 200 का है. Then international boundary, state boundary, capital of the country and national capital. See here, national capital तो एक ही है, तो where it will be here. Can you see black, dark black?
Yes.
That is
Yes.
national capital. Then all this red, Lucknow, Jaipur, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई, सिलवासा का तो सिलवासा यूनियन टेरिटरी है वो, राइट. और सिलवासा कहाँ पे है, महाराष्ट्र और गुजरात की बॉर्डर पे है, यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो.
Yes.
देन गुजरात गांधीनगर, राजस्थान जयपुर, सॉरी, understood. So all this is about maps. Then this is again one map of different mountains. Yes, see Himalayas. Can you see? The range is Konkani range. Can you see? Rivers are also shown in this map. Understood? And this is all continents map. Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Australia, Antarctica. Right? World map. Yes. Then we revised in the last class about these things to know. Remember no? Rabia had read this box. Remember Rabia? Am I audible, girls? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो रिप्लाई तो करो. आई थिंक के फिर लेफ्ट हो गए होंगे.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
things to know. Yes, Rabia, read things to know again once. Last class you had
Okay,
revised
ma'am.
this.
Yes, ma'am. There are three main mapping institutions in India: NATMO, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. This organization is in Kolkata and produces maps showing distribution. Number 2, NRSA, National Remote Sensing Agency. This organization is in Hyderabad. They draw map with the pictures taken by satellite stationed in the space by ISRO. Survey of India. This organization is in Dehradun. This organization allows for creating map and giving permission for their uses. Maps of our textbooks are certified by this organization.
Yes, understood everyone? NATMO and NSRA, the functions of both of them. आज मैंने अटेंडेंस नहीं ली ना, तो मुझे पता नहीं है कौन कौन प्रेजेंट है. Zainab and everyone understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Amreen, Fatima, Farhana,
Yes.
Razi Abbas, Mohwa, Mohammad Dallu. Yes. So now different components of map. We all know very well, we have studied in the 5th class also different components of map. Yes, components of maps are three. Okay, three components of map. Okay, direction, and they are known as what? Direction, scales, and conventional signs. What are they? The three components of maps: direction, scale,
Scale,
and
conventional signs.
the third one is the conventional signs. Yes. Which are the three components of map, students?
Direction,
North,
scale,
west,
Nahin,
south.
components of map I'm asking.
scale, direction of scale,
डायरेक्शन ऑफ स्केल नहीं, डायरेक्शन एक खुद एक कंपोनेंट है. Then
scale and conventional signs.
yes, direction, scale, and conventional signs. Now first we will see about direction. Yes, Amrin, Fatima, can you read this direction?
Yes, ma'am.
Direction paragraph.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Hey girls, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. We can
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Okay, Farhana can read directions.
Yes, ma'am. Direction. Generally, when you observe the map, you see the sign of north. This arrow sign indicates the north direction. If you have knowledge of north direction, then you can easily decide about rest of the directions. If you stand facing the rising sun, then that time north direction will be at your left hand side. South direction will be at your right hand side, while west direction will be at your back side and east in the front.
Yes. So all this is about directions. Okay. Now what it is said that generally north direction sign, you can see the sign, right? Is shown, this arrow sign indicates north direction, which is shown generally in all the maps. Okay. But if you have knowledge of north direction, then you can easily decide about the rest of the direction. अगर हमें नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन के बारे में पता हो गर्ल्स, तो हम दूसरी डायरेक्शंस अपने आप ढूंढ सकते हैं. कैसे ढूंढ सकते हैं राबिया? ये मैंने करवाया था आपको फर्स्ट टाइम में, याद है किसी को?
मैम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की तरफ डायरेक्शन होगा, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की तरफ हमारा डायरेक्शन होगा नॉर्थ, और राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ होगा साउथ, बैक साइड की तरफ होगा वेस्ट, और आगे की तरफ होगा ईस्ट.
आपका नाम क्या है बेटा?
इंसिया फातिमा.
अच्छा इंशा. इंशा, आपका आंसर पूरी तरह से गलत है. पता है क्यों इंशा?
नो.
आपने हुबहू टेक्स्ट बुक में से बोला, फिर भी आपका गलत है. एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सेड इन हिंदी, right? And the second reason, second one is you didn't speak. Okay, when we are facing the rising sun at that time. Do you understand, Insha?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you have any place you stand and you make it left and right hand directions, not yellow. This side is south and this side is west. This side is ऐसे होता है? Is it like that? Hi girls, is it like that? Answer yes or no. Is it like that? No, it is
No.
not like that, right? How is
No,
it?
ma'am.
Rabia, how is it then? How do we indicate directions?
Ma'am, when we stand, when early in the morning we stand facing the rising sun, then our front side will be the east, and the back side will be the west,
Hmm.
and the right side will be the south, and left side will be north.
Very good. You said different way. You started from east. No problem. Right? How do we face Zainab? How do we indicate directions? I said you in the first semester also कि ये तो याद रखना ही है. Zainab, how do we
Yes.
indicate directions?
When we stand in the rising sun,
Facing the rising sun.
facing the rising sun, the north direction will be in the right, no, in front.
फ्रंट में तो हमेशा ईस्ट ही होगी क्योंकि सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट एंड सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? Zainab,
Yes, ma'am.
where are you confused?
North direction.
North will be to your left,
Uh,
south to your
South
right.
will be right. Um,
When you are facing the sun, east is in the front. and west is in the back side.
Yes.
है ना? Yes or no, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
this direction. Now these directions, okay? Now these are cardinal directions. Okay, we have four cardinal directions: north, east, south, and west. Right? Now northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest are known as the cardinal directions. Four main directions shown in the above mentioned figure, while the other intermediate directions and angles. Okay, they say northeast is known as what? Ishanya. Okay, southeast is known as what? Aganya. Okay, southwest is known as what? Nairutya. Okay, and northwest is called Vaya. Is it clear? Any of the place can be found into the map with the help of directions and intermediate directions. ये जो भी intermediate directions है, चाहे वो वयावा हो, अगनिया हो, या फिर नैऋत्या हो, हम इन डायरेक्शन से कोई भी प्लेस इंडिकेट कर पाएंगे. Okay, this map we had done in 5th standard, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will see about compass. Okay, what is a compass? Okay, yes, Farana, read beta compass, things to know.
Ma'am, can I read Insia
Compass,
Fatima?
compass is a device developed on the basis of the properties of magnet. There is a magnet needle on the axis that can move freely inside the compass box, which is covered by a glass. N and S are marked on the needle. Compass is used in the shape, sti-
Steamer,
sti- steamer, submarine,
submarine,
submarine aircraft, etc. for determining the
determining,
direction.
for determining.
Determining the direction.
Yes. So, what do we use compass for? For seeing the directions. Basically, I had explained you previously also. Okay, compass हम ship में, steamer में, submarine में, aircraft में ज़्यादातर use होता है, right? To indicate the directions. और compass पे क्या ड्रॉ क्या होता है? North and south. Can you see? And it works on magnetic.
Yes.
Magnetic field पे ये work करता है. Okay? Magnetic needle. Now we will see about scale, the second important component of the map. Compass किसका part है? Directions का part है. Okay. Now scale we will see. Okay. Yes, Insha, read.
Yes, ma'am. Scale. Ratio of the
Radio नहीं,
distance between
radio नहीं, ratio.
ratio of the distance between any two places on the earth and the distance between those two locations on the map is called scale. Scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer means 1 in the map is actual 100 kilometers distance on the earth. Distance can be found using thread and scale.
Yes. So about scale we have learned in the previous classes. What do you understand by scale? Who will say me? कोई भी अपने आप they can say in your own language.
Can I say Insia Fatima?
Hmm.
When we take a map in side, there is written scale is equal to. It means that when we measure with scale, so the 1 centimeter, which means 100 or 200 kilometer, like that way, the measurement had written.
That is what? That is the actual distance on the earth. Okay. What is it?
Actual distance of the earth.
Okay. That is the scale. You can use the scale, between to locate any two places of the earth, and the distance between those two places, locations on the map is called scale. The ratio of all this. Okay. Scale is 1 centimeter is to 100 kilometers, where 1 centimeter shows what shown in the map is actual 100 kilometers. Okay, distance of the earth, what it is? Actual 100 kilometers distance of the earth. Now distance can be found using the thread and a scale. Okay, now we will see conventional signs. Yes, Rabia, conventional signs. Do you remember I taught in the fifth class? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, read this para conventional sign.
Conventional signs. Student friends, you might have observed many special signs or symbols when you come to the school from home. Draw the scene signs given in the table and discuss them in the classroom.
Continue. Continue, Rabia.
Various physical, various physical and cultural details are shown in the map with the help of some signs, which are called conventional signs. Defi- defin- Definite alphabet, shadow light, color, pictures, and lines are used to show conventional signs in the map. Physical and cultural details can easily be shown in the map with the help of conventional signs. Conventional signs of map are in simple and universally accepted language. Since there is an international agreement regarding these symbol signs, so conventional signs are used in the map. Observe the conventional signs in the table given below and then understand with the help of your teacher.
Yes. Now what it is, beta?
Ma'am, can I read?
What it is, beta? In conventional science, special signs or symbols we have come across, right? When we go to school, we have the school sign, right? When we go to the hospitals near, then there's different types of signs, petrol pump, all this, right? Now various physical and cultural details are shown in the map with the help of some signs. With the help of what, beta? With the help of some signs, which are called conventional signs. Okay, what are they called? Conventional.
Conventional sign.
Yes. Definite alphabet, sometimes it is there. Then shadow light, color, picture, and lines are used to show conventional signs in the map. Different things are used to show the conventional signs in the map. Conventional signs of map are in simple and universally accepted language. What are they, beta? Simple and universally accepted language. पूरे यूनिवर्स में यही लैंग्वेज एक्सेप्ट होता है, right? Since there is an international agreement regarding this symbols, signs, so conventional signs are used in the map. कैसा होता है? इंटरनेशनल एग्रीमेंट होता है. कैसा होता है?
International agreement.
Yes, about the signs and symbols. So conventional signs are used in the map. Internationally यही चीजें होती है हर एक जगह पे, हर एक मैप पे. You understand? Whether whatever the country is forward, all these signs are only there. Can you see? I'll show you one by one. Can you see? See, for mountain, this type of conventional sign is there. For hill, this type of sign is there. For peak, this type of sign is there. For pass, मतलब road passing, river, confluence of rivers, where rivers are meeting, right? Dams on the river. ये black part, can you see dark black? That is dams on the river. Pakka road means uh, good road, cement concrete road, railroad, lighthouse. TO indicates post office, and CH indicates circuit house. Listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are not answering?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
North direction of map. Then district boundary,
Yes.
state boundary, then international boundary, scale. Yes. Capital of country. Can you see? Capital of state.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. District headquarter. City. Then forest. Police station. PS. Post and telegraph. PTO. Understood? All
Yes,
these are
ma'am.
what? They are conventional signs. Okay, apart from these conventional signs, there are cultural details of colors also. Agriculture के लिए yellow, roadways red, railroad black, vegetation green, water bodies blue, and landforms brown. Understood? Different colors and chlorophyll are used to show in the maps. Is it clear? Clear till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very good. Chalo. So, till